Now, a question arises whether a man lying in coma is living or non-living. Yes, whether a man lying in coma on life support system is living or non-living. When any person is in coma on life support system, it still exhibits life. Why? Because it only loses its requisite consciousness ability, but still all the metabolic activities are occurring inside his body. So, a man lying in coma on life support system is living or non-living. He loses his requisite consciousness ability, but it still exhibits life because metabolic activities all are occurring inside his body. Now, if he regains its consciousness ability, then he is said to be a living person. And if it's not so, then he is non-living or a dead person. Yes, if he regains his consciousness ability, then he is living. If it is not so, he is claimed to be dead person. Now, after this, I am going to start our new lecture, which is diversity in living organisms. Before starting this lecture, I have to introduce you with a new word, that is biodiversity. Yes. What is biodiversity? Biodiversity is simply the variety of organisms which exist on this earth surface. Yes, the variety of the organisms, this such a wide variety of organisms which are present on this earth is known as biodiversity. Occurrence of different types of species on earth is known as biodiversity. Now, if we talk about in a quantitative way that how much number of species are found till now on this earth. Yes, so 1.7 to 1.8 million species are discovered till now on this earth so far. Yes, 1.7 to 1.8 million species till now. 1.7 to 1.8 millions discovered till now. Now, how much contributions of plants in here? Let us discuss now. So, how much contributions of animals and plants? So, animals contribute 1.25 million species, such a wide contribution they gave, and plants it's only 0.55 million types of species. Now, in such a wide variety of species of animals, which category contributes a lot? And plants also. So, if we talk about animals, the insects contribute the wide variety of species. So, insects are the major contributor of animals, and in plants, as you all of you know, the flowering plants contribute most of the species, and they are known as angiosperms. So, angio angiosperms. Now, such a huge wide variety of species are present on this earth. It is not possible to study every organism individually. Yes, it is impossible to study every species individually. So, to make a study easier and possible, various scientists have divided into groups and subgroups to make it as easier, so that we can learn every organisms in detailed way. So what they have done that they we divided groups and subgroups on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities. So when we choose any single characteristics of that group, we will deal with the 100 of the species which are present on that group. So huge variety of species present on Earth. So it is impossible to study each and every organism individually. To make a study easier plus possible, various scientists divided into various groups and subgroups on the basis of similarities and dissimilarities. Now, what are these groups unknown? So, I would make it clear to you that these groups are known as taxonomical groups. Yes, these are known as taxonomical categories. So, groups, they are known as taxonomical categories. Now, to place these species, to place these organisms into groups and subgroups, there is to follow basic principles and procedures. So, this whole process to dividing and placing it into groups and subgroups with respect to the similarities and dissimilarities on the basis of their characteristics is known as classification. Yes, what is classification? It is the whole process of placing organisms into groups and subgroups on the basis of similarities and dissimilarities with respect to their characteristics. Now, taxonomy, it is derived from two Greek words. What are they? They are taxa plus nomis. The taxa means principle, and nomis means arrangement. So, taxonomy is derived from two Greek words, and what are they? They are the taxa and nomis. Here, taxa means the arrangement, and nomis means the principles. So, and taxonomy is the branch of science which deals with the process of arranging those species on the basis of principles and procedures. So, it is the branch of science which deals with the principles and procedures for classification.